Text to music AI. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see this particular AI which creates music from text. And for this you would have to open up SONAUTO AI and sign up, and after that click on this option of make a song, and after that you need to name your project. So we will name it as test 2, as I have already tested it before with test 1 project, so this time it is test 2, and click on this option of create. And this way you would be headed to this particular screen, and here you would have to describe your song in a few words, and here you can write the text. And let me describe this song. This song is about subscribing a YouTube channel and learning something. I forgot to type song over here, and let it sing, and let's see who should sing it up. And I guess Imagine Dragons would be best to motivate you guys to subscribe to this channel. So let's let it being sung by Imagine Dragons. And in case if you have the lyrics, you can put them in the bottom of this particular box, and here your song will be sung by Imagine Dragons, and this will be about subscribing a YouTube channel. So after that you can click on this option of generate, and in case if you are only looking for instrumental, then just simply select this one, and this way you would only be getting instrumental. Now after that just click on this option of generate and wait for it to do its work. After a while you should be able to see the magic. And this is how it will appear after a while, and you get 3 different options to choose from. These are the 3 different options that we got from the text that we just wrote. And you can also make changes to this particular option or the lyrics by just clicking on this option of edit prompt or lyrics, and this way you would be able to make changes to it. Also you can select any particular song, suppose this one, and after a while if you want to make changes to it, after hearing it you didn't like it, so you want to make changes to it, so just simply click on this option of edit, and this way you would be able to select any particular part of this particular song and make changes to it. You can change the lyrics of it, you can change the way it is generated, so you have the complete freedom to make changes to it. You can also split the parts of this particular song. You can remove the vocals and split all the parts. You can shade it up and download it, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.